Hi, I'm Bert Digoliado, representing Philippines, 28 years old, an adventure person, studying, caring, and loving of nature. My motto is, we need to be nice in nature and nature will be nice to us. How to do this? Easy! All we have to do is to maintain the cleanliness and peacefulness of the island. Let us clean them, remove plastic waste, bottles that float in the sea or surrounding in the shore, to prevent pollution of water. Chemical must put in the proper place to prevent spill in ocean. And neither don't cut trees because it's holding the structure of the whole island. The output. Many people will attract visiting on this place. Bring their families, relax themselves, banding with their families, doing adventures like hiking, sports like swimming, celebrate birthdays, weddings, and other occasions. Once again, I'm Bert Digoliado, the best person as the caretaker and island of the Great Barrier Reef. Thank you.